Hi friends, welcome. So today's video is going to be very cool and amazing because the product I am going to review today is a very special carrying case which is specially made for earphones carrying stuff, but you can use it for anything. And I have a lot to say about it, but first you can see how well it is provided to you. I mean, it's a very nicely organized box and its name or model number is C100 and the brand name is DDhifi, which is very specialized in making these kind of products. Here you can read all the things about it, and here is its picture. And its price is only $26, which I think is budget, and I'll tell you at the end of the video about its price justification. So my first impressions are very good because it is provided in a very nicely manner, which is rare these days. And I took some time of yours in introduction, but it was necessary to give you complete information. So now let's unbox it. So you can see that again it is covered in another protection of plastic sheet or wrapping, and finally here is our carrying case. And first of all, you guys can see that how unique this carrying case looks. It is very unique looking. And if I talk about its design and look, the look is very decent and office type. It looks very professional, I mean for business purposes. And as far as the design is concerned, you will get two compartments here, one at the top and one at the bottom, and both these compartments are different from one another. So you can see this is our first compartment, and later I will tell you what things you can store in here. And here is our second compartment, which is for different kind of stuff. And you can see that you are getting three more parts or sections in the bottom compartment also, which are removable. You can use it in both ways. Like if I remove it, see, so this thing is removable. And for design and looks, it is absolutely top class, and I really like it. It's 10 out of 10. And for the build quality, when you hold it in your hands, you automatically feels that it is very well made. It's a strong protective carrying case. Its bottom is very hard, and top is very nicely done. And it doesn't stop here. You can see that its zip quality is also very top class. See, so its zip quality is also very good. So the attention to detail done by DDhifi is very much praisable, and we have to acknowledge it. And here is our hook as well, like belt hook, and you can use it for anything you want. And honestly speaking, it doesn't look that good in videos and pictures online than it looks in real. You will understand it when you see it for yourself. Now it's time to see how to use it, and let's add some accessories in it. We'll start from below compartment or space or chamber, whatever you can call it. So let's see how many things I can store in here. So first I'm putting the white cables of DDhifi Genus 3. So these are the white cables of Genus 3. So first I'm putting this, and the second I'm putting another cable from DDhifi, and in third place I'll put another earphone. This is it. And finally I'll put another earphone in it, which is in fourth place. So here is my another earphone. So in my opinion, 4 earphones can be stored here easily, and not only earphones, you can also store other accessories like SSDs or chargers or earbuds, etc. And now I'm going to show you that as well. And let's see what we can store in the above space layer. So here I can store like my daily driving things, for example, like this cable. I use it like daily, and for example I can store here my SSDs as well, like this. You can see. Let's see if it works. Yes, it absolutely does works. Now it's heavy, and see, you can store a lot of things. So overall you can store a lot of things in this $26 double layer carrying case, and it's your choice how you are going to store these things. But similarly, if I remove all these things, I can put these type of cables here as well, which are my daily driving. You can see. Similarly, this one, and on top I can. So I think this is the best carrying case I have ever saw for your small accessories, like very urgent or necessary things you can store here. And similarly, I can put a full carrying case, another carrying case here as well. You can see. So like, it's very well done. It's a lot of space. You can store a lot of things according to your needs. I'm just showing you all the things so that you should know what you can store here. Similarly, I can store here this amplifier has as well, and this thing, it's a cross section, and I'm not a huge fan of this, but let's see if it works for you. So you can see that I can store everything I want in here, and see, it works. So the purpose of making this video so long is to tell you that this carrying case is absolutely impressive, and I liked it a lot. You can store everything, anything you want, and it's very easily done. So I have nothing more to say but this only, that I liked it. And also you can store 2 earbuds in here, for example. You see, so now I have stored 2 earbuds, and similarly I can store 2 earphones here as well, one here and one here. So like, it's very flexible, and it's easy to use, it's easy to carry, and its build quality is also very good. So I liked it a lot. And here ends my video. I think I don't need to say about its price justification. It's absolutely justifiable. You get a very good box, and presentation, design and look of the case is very decent and professional. The build quality is top class, and the attention to detail is just awesome. And DDhifi didn't leave anything to criticize for. That's very impressive. So from now on, I'm going to use this case regularly. And thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video, and many more amazing videos are coming soon. Be happy, be in peace. Goodbye.